I'm trying to replace the rear hub assembly on my car, and I've got the bolts out, but they always freeze in to the into the housing here, so I'm going to try to get it out. Got the nuts in the back. I'm going to try using an air chisel and push on the bolts and see if I can push the hub out. Doing anything?
You knocked off some dirt.
So the air chisel kept popping off to the side, so I put this in the lathe and just drilled a little dimple in the end of it. The new hub assembly came with new bolts, so I don't care about these. All right, ready?
Yep.
Doing anything?
Slipped off. I think it's moved a little though. Are you hitting back on this side of it?
Yeah, this back corner?
That's where the crack is.
Okay. Actually, let's switch.
I'm not sure I'm doing anything, but...
Well, there's another bolt I can get to.
It went. Got about a 30-second now opened up.
Yay. That might need to back off on that. Well, it's not going to keep... Pass me the ratchet. Because I've only got a limited amount of push with my bolt.
Till it hits, yeah. This is really like falling out here. I think you take the bolt out and the thing will fall off.
So that worked really well. The dimple was really necessary. This is one of the ones that I had a good, nice straight shot at, but didn't have the dimple in it. You can see it just rounded off the edges. And this is the one with the dimple, so it stayed nicely in there and drove it right out.